One, two, three. One, two, three. Oh, she's sending it.
Oh my God. Where the fuck did this nigga come from?
Bro, on the way here, you know?
Bro, I've been. I was waiting on y'all niggas.
You was over here the whole time?
Like, now.
This is the fast guy section? I said this is the fast guy section?
She got my pad. She stay on her knees so much that I forgot she got legs. I was only 10 when I found out what a Glock is. We only 10 we found out what a Glock is. I pop so much ecstasy and turn me to the yacht man. Nigga got a bitch, you know exactly.
One, two, three.
Fuck. Oh, they running it.
sending it. She's sending that bitch. She full sent that bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Shawty and the G trying to race. She's sending that hoe. 1, 2, 3. up, guys? Did some reruns. Homie's car is running tip top, and I got gap tonight, boys.
We run it again when you get your bolts on.
Yeah.
You gotta go to Bayberry, man.
Nah, that's definitely where we're gonna have it and shit. Cause all these niggas wanted to come and run it too.
Cover gaskets and the valve cover on the left side, but now the right side is leaking, so I gotta replace that shit. I put silicone, I changed the spark plugs, drained that bitch, changed the spark plugs again with some good ones, and it's working perfect.
Nah, I've been moving out now.
That silicone right there is keeping
I'm moving out. Before it was head to head, and then I would pull on him on the top end. Now this man is just
What's that?
training my shit, huh?
That was second or third?
Your second 40s. Well, guys, your boy is back at home. Got a couple runs in tonight. Made it back home safe. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. I don't know if I'm going to put the meet and the runs in the same video, or I'm going to do the meet part 1 and the runs part 2, because I got a good amount of runs in. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel and you are enjoying all the NISMO content, not only NISMO content, but all of the Florida car scene content, make sure you guys subscribe to your boy's channel. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, yeah, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in one you feet. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.